Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you why your Shopify store is unavailable. Okay, a lot of people have this problem and they don't know how to fix it. Now, this is a new update. I'm going to be showing you like all the solutions that you can do to fix this problem. Okay, if your Shopify store is unavailable, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log in into your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, so if someone like visits your Shopify store, you are not going to be able to see the products and stuff like that. That's why I'm making this video, guys. I want to show you how you can fix this problem. Okay, now, so I think there is a problem with the connection here. As you can see, it takes forever. Now I'm going to reload the page. Okay, now like I said, you need to log in into your Shopify store, and yeah, it says here no internet connection. I'm just going to reconnect and see if it's going. Yeah, right now it works. Okay, so to fix this problem, first thing you need to do, guys, if you haven't selected a plan, you need to select a plan. Okay, if you already selected a plan, I'm going to be showing you other solutions. Now, for people who haven't selected the plan, click on settings, click on plan, and you need to click on choose a plan, and you need to select the basic or Shopify or advanced. Now, for a lot of people, basic is going to be enough. Just click on select basic, and you can enter here your credit card. The card, like, you are only going to be charged $1. Okay, $1. And if you don't have a credit card, you can also pay using PayPal. So picking a plan is very important, guys. So a lot of people, the reason why their store is unavailable is because they didn't pick a plan. Anyway, after you select a plan, if you click on plan, you are going to see deactivate store. That means you already have an active store. Now, after you select a plan, what you guys need to do, if the problem is still there, click on settings. You want to click on online store. Okay, here, and you want to click on preferences, and you want to scroll down, and as you can see, it says here to let anyone access your online store, pick a plan. Now for me, because I didn't pick a plan, it says here it's garage for like the restrict access to visitors with password. It's garage. Now, if you can uncheck this, where it says here restrict access to visitors with password, and remove the password, uncheck this box. As you can see here, don't add the password to your Shopify store, so that visitors will be able to access what's inside your Shopify store products and stuff like that. Just need to uncheck this and click on save. Okay, you need to uncheck restrict access, where it says here password protection limit who can access your online store. You need to uncheck this. Okay, and then click on save and see if the problem is there. Now, if the problem is still there, your store is unavailable, then what you guys need to do, drop a like on this video and click the video on the screen, and that video is going to help you exactly how it will show you guys how you can solve this problem. Okay, just drop a like and see you guys in the next video that you are going to click on right now in the screen. Just click on it and you will be able to fix this problem. See you guys in the next video.